Plastic or waste coming from tourism is being produced in the cafes, in the hotels, homestays, and that also on some level is the responsibility of people who are at the end of the day creating that waste in collaboration with the guests.
लोग शहरों से आते हैं, ऑल्दो वो सब इंस्टाग्राम पे पढ़ते हैं, हर चीज़ देखते हैं कि पहाड़ जा रहे हैं, प्लास्टिक नहीं यूज़ करना है, मतलब कुछ नहीं करना है, मतलब अपनी पर्सनल बॉटल्स लेके आनी है, पैक्ड आइटम नहीं खरीदना है, लोकली खाना है। बट पता नहीं क्या होता है कि वो रास्ते रास्ते में ना वो पढ़ के आते हैं और भूल जाते हैं। ऐसे लोग भी हैं जो मतलब शहर छोड़ के आए थे यहाँ पे बिजनेस करने के लिए, लाइक कैफेज, रेस्टोरेंट्स, होटल्स, हॉस्टल्स। सबके दिमाग में यही घूम रहा है इस समय, क्या सर्वाइवल कैसे किया जाए, सर्वाइव कैसे किया जाए ये लॉकडाउन।
It is true that we cannot wait for Corona to end to restart tourism, because it is not just about me or some other who work in our properties. For example, my staff at home, they are having problems, right? Because they have no income source suddenly, and a lot of families are dependent on them.
फाइनेंशियली तो हमको लॉस हुआ है, बट एज अ एनवायरनमेंट देखोगे आप तो काफ़ी कुछ सही हुआ है। मतलब इस बार का जो समर्स में जितना प्लास्टिक वेस्ट हमारे पास आता था वो नहीं आया, क्योंकि बाहर के लोग नहीं आए, इतना प्लास्टिक सेल ऑफ नहीं हुआ, प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स उतनी सेल नहीं हुई, इतने पैक्ड आइटम, कुरकुरे, चिप्स, लेज।
There is no need to provide 2 plastic bottles in a room, no need to tiny shampoo sachets and all. We can request our guests to bring most of these things, or you can think of alternative packaging and all.
मेजरली पहाड़ों प्रॉब्लम ये भी है कि यहाँ पे सेग्रीगेशन नहीं है पहाड़ों का, प्लास्टिक का, कि कैसे करना है, कहाँ पे डिस्पोज करना है, डिस्पोजेबल करने की चीज़ें बहुत कम है।
People like to put the onus and the blame of waste in the mountains done by tourism on the tourists, that tourists are coming and throwing waste and littering everywhere. Although that is partly true, but it's not the entire story. A lot of the waste that you see in mountain trails is not done by tourists, it is done by local people. School kids and people who are drinking would be the two main demographic that create the most amount of waste. Tourism has to restart, but it has to be done in a very thought out manner, in a very well thought out manner. Everyone has to take a lot of responsibility to make sure that at least your business is making sure that it is 100% safe. Even if someone who is infected comes into your property, it should be that well thought out that even then you can handle the situation, and it should not spread even to you, your staff, your neighbors.
हिमाचल में मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ का भी एक प्रॉब्लम है, मतलब हर जगह नहीं है अवेलेबल। अगर आप एग्जांपल लोगे बीर बिलिंग का, तो केवल एक तो 2 मेडिकल स्टोर्स हैं। अगर कोई दवा हमें उस मेडिकल स्टोर पे नहीं मिली तो हमें वो दवा लेने 10 किलोमीटर दूर जाना पड़ेगा। इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ पे जो लोकल कम्युनिटी है, जो गांव वाले लोग हैं, जो यहाँ पे तिब्बतियंस रहते हैं, वो थोड़ा अभी डर में है। डर में क्या मतलब, ये डेफिनेटली है कि वो लोग आएंगे तो कोविड केसेस बढ़ेंगे।
The healthcare system in the mountains is not very simple, like to go to a hospital. Like I had to go to a hospital 2 days ago, so you have to go drive 2-3 hours and then you reach, and there are huge lines. So yeah, this is the situation. So we have to be very careful before taking any misinformed rash step. Not just the business owners, but also the tourists who are coming to Himachal have to be very responsible that they don't take this lightly. Make sure that the consumption of waste, which is I feel like the most important part, more than throw it in the dustbin, segregate it, most important is the consumption. So we have to try and reduce consumption as much as we can, try and create an atmosphere where we can have this conversation with our guests as well, try to tell them that how fragile this ecosystem is, how difficult it is to even send your waste to a waste treatment center, and the lack of waste treatment centers make sure that the break that the mountains have gotten from plastic waste, let's try to keep that up. Let's try to minimize our plastic consumption, single-use plastic consumption, and reuse and recycle as much as we can.
People like us create is about the next generation of creators across the world who can use their mobile phones and tell stories that actually create impact. If you like this story, subscribe to our channel. If you actually have a story to tell yourself, simply put it in the comments.